And so here we are, Planet Korthog. Any new weapons?
What can we do you for?
I don't have titanium. So let me see which weapons. Combustor, yeah.
Dropship touching down at Sector 1. Dispatching sentry.
Wait a second, I remember that I had the plasma whip. I think it's a plasma whip. Don't know why, but it isn't here. Last time I started playing this level, it was before I started this playthrough. I had the whip that was like a plasma whip. I don't really remember the name. With this weapon I won't go far. Hey bro, what do you have for sale? Ah.
Perhaps we should try using one of our devices against that cyclo cannon.
Thank you for the rare titanium. Oh. It's this weapon. I knew it.
The Shock Ravager uses
Shock Ravager
to neutralize shielded enemies. To perform a whip attack, press the fire button.
I'm going to die. Oh.
Electrical attacks are useless against an electrified enemy, Ratchet. Try a different weapon.
Nope, failed. And it leveled up once again.
Got another cycle cannon. Dispatch gunships to Sector 2. Destroy the Lombax menace.
Hmm. Where to? Okay. Oh. I want to.
All drop
Okay.
to the Skyway. The Lombax has hijacked an air tram. Lombax sighted approaching the Sector 4 Skydock. All units move in to intercept.
Hey, Chief!
Hmm.
Enough veritanium for an upgrade.
Well, I think I can upgrade the combustor a little bit.
Upgraded. Done and done.
Hmm. It's looking pretty nice.
He just took out 2 gunships. Alert the Emperor. Tell him we require reinforcements to snare the Lombax menace.
Where do I need to go? Herp derp, where do I need to go? Hmm. Oh, okay. Didn't notice these things. I jumped way too soon.
Attention drawn vets. Any trooper who allows the Lombax through
The Jellinator. Okay, it was a fail. I need a Jellinator to go up there. Maybe it can give me something. Yeah, there's a treasure. A box, I don't even know. Normally it has a raritanium inside those things. And I got 2 leech bombs. Not 1, but 2. Oh yeah.
He's activated the bridge to Sector 5. Send in a dropship immediately.
Oh, come on, I lost so much HP with only that attack. Where?
Admires your persistence, but feels compelled to inform you that your currently selected weapon is ineffective against shielded enemies. Try a stronger weapon, or wait until the enemy is unshielded.
Lol. I still have the gelinator full, don't I? Where's the gelinator?
Attention, citizens of Stratus City. The reconstruction of the city of Deptford. They also smell like farm dung.
Ratchet, those creatures are telling us to go inside that building.
Creatures? What creatures? Did you get your wires crossed in that crash? Clank, have you been modifying yourself in private?
Absolutely not. And I do not care much for your tone.
Normally this would be done with the motion from the controller, but since I deactivated it, it's way better. Is this a teleporter? Oh no, it's to launch the robo wings.
The Lombax has penetrated our defenses and infiltrated the Hall of Knowledge. Lock it down and rub him out before he accesses classified information.
Weapon vendor.
To the Grummelnet weapon shop. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Only one more and we'll be good to go.
Attention citizen, you have entered the Hall of Knowledge without authorization.
What do I use? Oh, it's R1 like the other.
By order of Emperor Tachyon. Any attempt to learn while on these
I didn't even know that we
premises
could swim in this game. I think like in cracking time we can't swim. Dude, okay. I wanted to. Sometimes it's not that easy to shoot at what we want.
Attention citizen, the knowledge in this hall is protected by traps and puzzles, so
Oh,
deviously
I need
complex
to come
that they
here.
will fuse your neural
Oh, I need to
pathways
activate the other.
for
Hmm. Oh, nice. Okay, it's a...
Attention, citizen. This is your final warning. The knowledge contained in this hall has been classified as a threat to the Empire. Any attempt to enter the Imperial map room will result in a very painful and irreversible death.
Okay. Ah, come on.
He's in the ventilation shaft above the map room. We cannot allow the Lombax access.
No, there was like a treasure there. Didn't know about this. Oh well.
Gadgetron admires your persistence, but feels compelled to inform you that you
Leveled up. I do not forgive. I do not forget.
Great, we're trapped. So why did we come here again? Clank?
Planet Fastoon. Interesting.
Why?
Well, according to the database, it is a Lombax planet.
Download the coordinates. We'll take the escape pod.
But Ratchet, the database also says...
Look, there's no time. Come on.